As he got down to around 2000, he says, "Oh my God, he's in the ground on the next hit." And then somebody yelled out, "Oh my God, that's the Trade Center right there."
Holy smokes.
A very loud, busy air traffic control area became absolutely dead silent.
Sickening. All of us, I can remember there was absolutely no talking going on. Everybody was like in shock.
I think an airplane just plowed into the city.
They did. The World Trade Center hit the...
No, another one. We just saw another one we do it.
Another one?
Yeah.
Holy cow.
He says, "Hey, another one just hit." And it was, now we're like freaking out, basically. Like, what's going on now? It's like we have no idea what's going on.
At NIAD's base, 200 miles away, they're watching the nightmare unfold live on television.
Is this explosion part of that we're looking at now on TV? Yes. Now grounding on the possible second hijack of the United Airways Center. Where they're working on it. He was and what you want to
Holy cow. That made everybody sink, and I swear everybody at the same time just kind of, it was like, I don't even know how to explain it. Just that real, it's real. It's happening. People are being killed.
With America now under direct attack, there's still no sign of fighter jets over New York.
The second one just hit the Trade Center.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta alert the military real quick on this.
No, we have several situations going on here. It's escalating big time. And we need to get the military involved with this.
Wow, what's going on?
Just get me somebody who has the authority to get military in the air now.
All right.